Hi guys, we're going to do a hurricane style workout today. It's going to be about 13 minutes long. We're going to start with 45 seconds of dumbbell goblet squats. Holding your dumbbell, 45 seconds. Then we're going to go into a dumbbell arnold press, either seated or standing, for 30 seconds. Then jump squats with ankle taps. And then 30-second star jumps with kicks. And then 1 minute rest, then we'll repeat 4 times, alright? So we'll start with the goblet squat. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 45 seconds. Chest up. "15 seconds to go. One, Arnold press, 30 seconds. Little or no rest in between. Straight on to the next exercise. "20 seconds to go. "10 seconds, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump squats with ankle taps. "10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Star jumps with kicks. "10 seconds, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute rest, and then we'll start again with the goblet squat. "30 seconds left for the rest. "15 seconds, get ready for the goblet squats. 45 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. "30 seconds. 15 seconds, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arm press. 30 seconds. Again, 10 seconds to go. Nearly there. 3, 2, 1. Jump squats, random taps. Let's go. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Star jumps and kicks. Any time for a rest. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 1 minute rest. Well done. Halfway through the workout. Seconds. 20 seconds, then we go again. Start with the goblet squats. 10 seconds, get yourself ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. As low as you can go. 30 seconds. 10 seconds, keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arnold press, 30 seconds, let's go. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps, ankle taps. Explosive jumps, that's it. 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Star jumps and kicks. Got leg one. Three, 2, 1. 1 minute rest, well done. 20 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Goblet squats. Last round. Keep that chest up. Seconds. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On press. 30 seconds. Seconds, keep going. Don't stop. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps with ankle taps. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one, star jumps into kicks. For 10 seconds, keep going. Feeling it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Well done everyone, hope you enjoyed that.